Hey guys, it is Harley Cat AJ here, and today I want to show you guys a pretty cool lemur glitch that I found on a lemur look that I was making. So if we go to change your look, come on, load. So if you go to patterns with your lemur, the swirl patterns, and then X out of it, go to actions, click play. See, when you do the play action, the swirls disappear. It's pretty cool. I also want to show you another glitch. Most people have forgotten about this glitch, but if you switch animals right here where I'm standing, switch animals, and then click right here. Is this gonna work? Okay guys, it was just a screen recorder. It was causing it not to do it, but all I did was from here where I was, I just clicked over here, and now I am a sloth and I am sitting in this glitched area, and there is one last glitch. So if you go to Crystal Sands and you go up here, ugh, I hate the phantom vortexes. They get really annoying because they can get in your way. I didn't even touch it. Like, Animal Jam, why? I didn't even touch the phantom vortex. So you want to go down the slide. Why going down the slide? You want to switch animals. Please hurry. It should be in a glitched sit position. It didn't work that time, but if you guys try by yourselves, you can definitely get this to work. And I have just thought of another glitch that I have known for a while. So go to the Captain Maville's juice set, stand in the corner, click, and then click here, and then quickly do an action. It can be sitting, it can be dancing, it can be anything, but you will slide while doing it. Now I know Bruiser made a video about this, but his was different. He said that non-members couldn't do the sit, or people who didn't have free chat couldn't do the sit position, but that's actually fake. You can. It's just a matter of practicing that allows you to. But anyway, that's the end of this video, so goodbye.